Long time no see, right?
Whatever, man.
So how's prison then?
Usual. Hooligans, sodomites, drunks, scrunks. Bad food, worse beds. And the everlasting stench that smells like burning tires.
Fuck me off, type. Just like my ex-wife.
So, let's go eat something.
To Donald in his end.
Yeah. What a fair 6 months in prison, and this is your way to pick me up?
Sorry, man. My car's stolen, house be taken away from me. My life changed after they caught you.
Sorry to hear that, Tyler. But how did they take away your house? I mean, you spent a fortune to buy it.
Didn't pay the taxes, you know how things go.
Yeah, if you're just on the top of the world, there's always somebody to take away your properties.
Fair enough. Good enough talk. Let's go to Donald's to celebrate you out of prison.
There's nothing to celebrate. I mean, I don't have a single penny.
True. I've got around 10 pounds myself, so we won't get very far with that.
You're right. Screw Donald. We need some money.
So how are we gonna do that? Work at Donald?
Normal. We have to meet a place to sleep. Good morning.
Connor and Tyler, I never expected you to come.
Owen, we need your help.
Sure, come in, come in.
Thanks. Thank you.
So, what's the problem?
We need somewhere to stay for a while.
No problem, you're always welcome here, you know that.
Thank you, dude.
Okay, follow me, just follow me.
Can we take a break?
Yeah, I know it's a long way.
Yeah.
So, this is the room where you can stay.
Wow, glad to be your friend. Owen, wow. Nice place.
So, supper's ready at 6, but I think you two have other things to do, so...
Yeah, right. Nice fellow. Won't hurt a fly.
Yeah. So, we have a problem.
No shit, Sherlock.
No time for kidding, Tyler. This is some serious shit we're talking about. I mean, we've got no money, and without money...
I got it. We need to do another job.
Yes, indeed. But this time we won't mess it up, like the last time when we were trying to rob the Casino Bellagio in Vegas.
Hopefully.
I will make a plan tomorrow.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello, yes you can. Can we have 2 glasses of your finest wine?
That would be red or white?
Red.
Red?
Yeah, sure,
Alright,
red.
red it is.
Of course.
Thank you. So how was your day?
Same as all the others.
Same here. It's becoming too boring, this whole FBI stuff. I want a new case.
I couldn't agree more. I mean, our last one was about 1 year ago, and that one didn't even count for one, so...
Fredrick, the whole FBI is becoming one big mess.
Thank you.
Thank you. I mean, agents with too many jobs and agents with no jobs at all.
Yeah, alright. To a new case.
To a new case.
At least the money's good.
Ha! That's right, I can't complain about that.
But always at one stupid office with loads of coffee and working your ass off for other agents' case you're not involved with is just so frustrating. I mean, ugh.
True. Waiter! Can we pay?
Of course. That would be $9.80.
$9.80?
That's the finest wine you wanted.
Give the change.
Thank you.
So, let's take an olive.
Yeah. And finish the delicious wine.
For that price, I mean. Well, I want an olive. Well, olive.
Well,
I'll catch you at work tomorrow then.
see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Tyler, wake up! Tyler! Come on.
Is that you?
Of course it's me, it's already 2 o'clock.
Yeah, sir, I know. But I haven't slept in such a nice bed since they took all my stuff.
Well, you can get back your stuff in a couple of days.
What do you mean?
Well, I made a plan. Come on. You see this diamond?
Yes.
This is gonna be ours. After we stole it, we will be rich.
That sounds like sparkling diamonds in my ear.
Shut up, wanker.
So, what's your plan?
I've done research whole night.
And you could do that while I was snoring so hard?
I've borrowed some earmuffs from Owen. But anyway, get back to the plan.
Okay.
The diamond we are talking about is one of the biggest on Earth. Therefore, it's protected with the newest security system. So, my plan is to go inside the museum and wait at the bathrooms till it closes at 6 o'clock. Then we'll come in action. Because the security lasers in the room where they keep the diamond are only pointed to the floor, it's pretty obvious we are gonna steal it from above.
What do you mean?
Well. After we waited in the toilets, we will climb into the ventilation shaft. Then we have to move our way to the diamond room. And for our luck, the shaft goes exactly above the diamond. So after we reach a diamond, we are gonna drop a metallic claw, which took me a century to get my hands on. To grab it and we are done. Simple as that.
I don't think it's so simple, actually.
Trust me. I know what to do.
Ryan won't believe this.
Hey Fred, what's up?
Hi Ryan, I've got some good news.
What is it? You finally found yourself a girlfriend?
Ha ha, very funny. No, we've been put on a case.
Really?
Awesome, don't you think?
Absolutely. So what's the case about?
Well, why don't you come over to my place and I'll explain it to you.
Sure, right away.
Okay, see you later then.